Greetings, everyone. Thank you for watching, listening, or following Light Up with Shua podcast on conscious living and parenting. In year 2020, my first topic of season 3 is on environment and its issues. I plan to bring an Islamic perspective in my discussions with the guests and my research on this topic. We will talk about what does the Qur'an say about the environment, what is the Muslim community doing along with their fellow environmentalists, and how many forms of corruption are there, and similar questions of this nature about the environment. And I would like to introduce you what is the Islamic Declaration on Global Climate. That's a really interesting document, and I hope you will stay tuned. Please let me know what you think of this podcast, any past episodes, or if you will hear and listen to the new podcast for this year. Please do comment, send your feedback. I will really appreciate that, and do share, rate, and review. And don't forget to visit my website, lightupwithshua.com. Thank you.